13117 Wilton. So we got the new garage door in. So if you're gonna move in here, you got a brand new garage door, 1-car garage. You got a nice big backyard to go to. It's all fenced in, back patio. Let's go inside, show you the awesome inside that we have here. So you got a nice big front patio here. You can sit, talk to your neighbor. Here's a living room, all new blinds, paint. Nice big area. So there you go. The kitchen, and we'll be putting a gas stove there. So you have a nice big kitchen, pantry area, laundry area, and brand new water tank. Beautiful area. Again, this is a nice big living room. Floors are beautiful here. Again, new lights, plugs, and switches throughout this house. New blinds, and good sized bedrooms. We have a new, pretty much a new bathroom here that's all put in. New toilet, tub. And you have two first floor bedrooms, so you can see. There's another bedroom. Nice bedroom. So, now it's in. Let's go upstairs. You have a nice big upstairs bedroom. It's kind of a tandem. You can make 2 bedrooms out of it if you want, but a lot of room here. Here on this, refinished floors, closet. Same thing in here. Here's another big bedroom. So there's really 4 bedrooms in here. So all the floors have been redone. So this is a nice house. It's a 4-bedroom, 1 bath in 3117 Wilton. I'm Brett with EXP Realty. 216-703-5740. 216-703-5740. Lovely, lovely home. Thanks.